With Binance, crypto investors can buy, sell, and trade hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. In this video, we are going to explain the process of buying crypto on Binance, including registering a new account, using a credit card, market or limit order, and more. You can use our affiliate link in the description, which allows you to get up to $600 in bonus rewards when registering a new account. To open a new account, you can use your email address or phone number. Conversely, you can also choose to sign up with your Google or Apple credentials. You'll need to confirm your registration by entering the account verification code sent to your email address. Then, you'll be asked to verify your account. If you choose not to complete the verification process, you won't be able to use all of Binance's features, like using fiat deposit options to buy crypto. After completing the account registration process, you can proceed by funding your Binance account. You can do so by depositing crypto, which is available even if your account is not verified, or using the bank deposit method. You can also buy crypto directly with a supported credit card, which is probably the easiest way of buying crypto for beginners. To buy crypto with a credit card, you can click on the Buy Crypto button on the home page, and click on the credit card option. Next, enter the amount of fiat you want to spend to buy a particular cryptocurrency. Then enter the details of your credit card. You can add any Visa or MasterCard card, or connect Binance with your Google Pay or Apple Pay payment methods. To complete the transaction, you'll be asked to provide your CVV code for extra security. If you are well versed in cryptocurrency trading, you can choose to enter the spot markets and make use of advanced trading features. Search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy in the search box. Select the trading pair you want to use. For the purposes of this guide, we'll be using Tether to buy Bitcoin. There are two primary order types you can use to buy and sell cryptocurrency: limit and market orders. If you use the market order, then the amount of Bitcoin you selected will be immediately purchased at current market rates after you click on the green buy button. Conversely, you can use the limit order type, meaning that the buy order will execute only after the predetermined set of criteria has been reached. This allows you to set the target price at which the trade will automatically execute in the future. This can come in handy when you think the price of a certain cryptocurrency will drop, and you don't wish to buy it at its present price level. In addition to limit and market orders, there's also the so-called stop limit order, which allows you to set both a limit and a stop price. When the stop price is reached, the limit order will be placed on the order book. Once the limit price is reached, the limit order will be executed. In addition, Binance allows users to trade with leverage, which essentially lets you trade with capital larger than what you yourself have put in. You can use the cross-margin option with up to 3x leverage, or the isolated margin account with up to 10x leverage. The extra funds are provided by a third party. Keep in mind that using leverage introduces additional risks, as any price movements are magnified by the level of leverage you've used. To quickly recap the process of buying crypto on Binance. First, open an account. Second, complete the verification process. Then, find the crypto you want to invest in. And finally, set your order parameters. Good luck on your crypto journey.